What up? I don't know what this guy talked me into. Look at this. Look at this. This is freaking bonkers. Look at this. I'm out here with a freaking raincoat, standing up in the middle of this chop. Look at this crap. It's a freaking storm. We are some crazy ass fishermen, man. Get at it. There it is. Day number 2. Just got a bunch of snacks at the store. We're gonna head out for some rough weather fishing. Gonna see how that goes. The wild man over there. The wild man. It's always his crazy idea to go out.
Cold face craziness.
Yep, the cold face craziness. I see a Jake in there. Not having it. Oh, there you go. Now we got a response. Look at this little fucker.
Yeah. That's a lot of
Hey, what's up, everybody? Mac out here, chilling with Elias, the owner of Cold Face Creations, headed up to the lake. Look at this. Isn't that neat looking? Beauty. We got ducks up there. Snipes just took off. Look at all them ducks taking off back there. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm out here with Elias. We're going to be heading out to this beautiful lake right here behind me. We're not sure what we're going to catch. It's a very windy and rainy day. But that addiction continues. Oh, it was pouring a while ago. It was flat pouring. He was locked in the bathroom.
Oh, was he?
I
wondered where he was.
I thought it was a coyote who came running out the door at me. I was like, what the heck is that?
When the weather gets bad and then we have thunder and lightning, he knows he goes in there, but he forgets that he can't pull it open. He puts it open. Yeah, I know.
I didn't know what it was at first. Hey, Bubba. These little wild ones.
That's almost time to do a number on the bathroom.
Aren't you guys having an event here soon?
Yeah, the first Saturday of March.
Okay.
We had one last month, but the weather was nasty. Only about 4 guys showed up. They didn't do bad though.
I'm sure we're the only guys out here today.
Yeah. Yesterday, I don't think I had anybody here yesterday.
No?
Yeah. Now, the day before I did, I had several.
Yeah, that was a nice day.
Yeah.
And look at that boil.
Oh yeah. I had fish in there. They're probably gone.
Oh yeah, they're down somewhere.
Yeah. Most of them are crappie anyway.
It got pretty muddy downriver.
Yeah.
We were expecting the lake to be muddy too, but it looks pretty clear.
Yeah, it was a little muddy yesterday. You know,
really?
You can tell that the rim gets real short because it floods in off these hills, you know.
Right. Yeah.
I haven't checked it since. But hopefully I got to run into town real quick. All right, well, you guys be careful out there, huh?
Yeah. So what are we up to today?
We're about to get a rain, wind beaten, and some fish hooking. At least that's the plan.
We're out here at this beautiful lake. If you guys want to know what lake it is, stay tuned for the end of the video. I will be putting up the prices and the little sign they have posted out front along with the lake name. This is one of those lakes where you don't want to get too close to the dam, because you will go over it and it's like a 20-foot drop. And once again, we got the prototype out on the lake, the roto molded. And then we got one of the originals out here. So I had to take down the eye in the sky because we got 1.5 1-foot swells out here at the moment. As you can see, I'm just chopping through it. So that was a big problem, swinging around the eye in the sky. But I'm still able to stand up on my raft, move around. So that's how it does in the bad weather. Wind so much. So another story. He almost ended up in the trolling motor. Are you steering that thing like a surfboard?
Yeah, I was just trying to stand on edge for everybody.
If you guys like the roto molded one, drop a comment, let us know. This is just a prototype. As you can see, we got 2 rafts out here side by side. I would try to walk to his raft, but we're not tied up together, so I don't want to drift away. Yeah, alright, here's a lot of crap over on my head. Alright, let me get away from you before our trolling line can take over. I hope this works. What up? I don't know what this guy talked me into. Look at this. Look at this. This is freaking bonkers. Look at this. I'm out here with a freaking raincoat, standing up in the middle of this chop. Look at this crap. It's a freaking storm. We are some crazy ass fishermen, man. Get at it. That was fucking nuts! God damn, that was nuts though. I have some big freaking rollers coming in.